All right, guys, we had this beautiful lady. We just finished her hair, and something popped in my mind. I was like, dang, this beautiful lady, she has a very similar outfit, red and white, because I had to change her cape because I didn't really see what outfit she walked in, because I wasn't in. I just walked in and she was sitting on my chair, boom. But she happens to be one of the best customers, loyal, and the best. She's always on time. And she's always here every six to 7 weeks max. Thank you very much. And at Mario's Hair Designers, our goal is to do our best, because it is very important that we do our best to maintain a regular client base. And right, Miss Kate?
Right.
How do you like Mario's Hair Designers?
Well, I've been coming for 12 years, is it? So
we appreciate you.
Love it.
God bless you. We love our clients, guys, and our clients becomes family. We know everything about each other, and it's a blessing, you know. And they say, count your blessing, and I count my blessing. So we look at this beautiful, natural color we created, and it feels like silk. And when I ask her, what do you, about this and that, about her hair, she's like, you know, what do you think? She doesn't dictate what I should do. But of course I communicate with her, you know, what she likes and about this and that, and then I keep stay in my boundary, but then she lets me create. So the idea of this amazing haircut is really complement her lifestyle, jaw, cheek, bone structure, and her silhouette, and make it easier for her to manage. That's the bottom line, guys. So, of course, the color has to complement her skin tone, the eyebrow, the eye, and you know, all the tones in her facial structure. The color has to harmonize and coordinate. Otherwise, it defeats the purpose. You can go to any hairdresser, but you gotta really know what you're doing. That's why I have my name on my cape, and I have my name on the marquee on the road, and I've been here 26 years. So we started October of 1999, and we're still going strong by the grace of God. So we're very blessed to be part of this community, which is called Johns Creek, Georgia. So I think it was chosen #1 city in the United States last year. I'm not sure what it is this year, but I guess we'll know about it sooner or later. This is what it does, guys, create separation and texture and movement, taking some of the weight from the hair, you know. It's not about cutting hair, it's really designing hair. So I'm not cutting hair, I'm not coloring hair, I'm designing hair. So this haircut is designed to fit Miss Kate's lifestyle, the jaw, cheek, bone structure, and follow the contour of her facial structure. So that's the idea of it. That's why my hair salon called Mario's Hair Designers. It's almost like getting a nice suit made by my favorite suits are. This is my favorite, guys. I'm not kidding, Versace and Ermenegildo Zegna. Because when I'm putting on a suit, I want to make sure I got the best suit, because it's a part of feeling good. And for example, this is Dolce & Gabbana. I've had this probably 18 years. It's still amazing. So, and I believe in quality tools. My tools come from Japan, and I believe in the tools. And this scissor is a dry cutting scissor. It's amazing. So when I'm cutting the hair, it does not create split ends. So I'm not using, you know, Sally's Beauty Supply House scissor or a $200 scissor. This is a $900 scissor. And the irony is I send this scissor to the maker, to Japan, get it sharpened. I promise you, I will not trust anyone else, because I know better. And I have my scissors being ruined before. So it's very important, you know, when you sit on my chair, you're going to get the royal treatment. Right, Miss Kate?
Yes. I
So,
did not know you sent your scissors to Japan.
God is my shepherd, I shall not lie. My wife is back there, she's my witness.
Wow.
Oh yeah, because I have enough scissors to, hold me, carry me through. Yeah, I know, like for example, I'm going to be in New York International Beauty Show, March 7th to 9th, and I'm leaving that evening, which is Saturday. I'll be cutting hair on Times Square March 8th, you can count on it. And of course, we work in the hair show and cutting hair on different parts of the show floor. But so the bottom line, guys, I know a guy over there, he works for Kosher. Kosher happens to be one of the top shear line too. I do have Kosher shears as well. And right here, this is called Millennium. This is $1,800, this shear. I guarantee you can take it to the bank. Look at that. I've had this shear a long time, and I have about 6 of these. There are 4 have not been opened yet. Why? Because I love my shears. My tools are very important. So I'm not just cutting your hair with the ordinary shear, and the best shear has a cobalt steel. So when you're cutting it, you don't even feel it. Do you feel anything?
Mm-mm.
Thank you.
No.
This is a good Christian girl. She won't lie, I promise. Even if I paid her. Thank you, Miss Kate. You're the best. At Mario's Hair Designers, we don't make mistakes. We make discoveries. Could you shake it for me? Thank you very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, Valentine's coming up. Please tell your husband or boyfriend or girlfriend, send you here. Let's do your hair and make you look good, feel good. Hair is an extension of the soul. If you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you do good things. Love, peace, and hair, Mario's Hair Designers, Johns Creek, Georgia. Come see us. We make you look like a superstar, like this beautiful lady on my chair. As you heard her, she's been coming here 12 years. So, I doubt she's going anywhere else. She's been coming here 12 years, guess what? She's staying. You know why? Because I make sure of that. So, treating your client with care and respect, and go an extra mile, and you know what I mean? Talk is cheap, action talks, guys. Action more important than talk. While I'm talking, I'm making action, so therefore, I'm not falling behind, I hope not. But anyways, hopefully I'll see you on my chair too. So at the end, I put this glass drop and the mousse, bring it together instead of spraying the hairspray, which I can do that too, but this way, I make sure every hair strand gets TLC with the right product. And she'll wake up in the morning and her hair looks perfect. She doesn't have to worry about it because, look at that. Voila. Peace, guys. Miss Kate in the house, and thank you very much. And she's a true Valentine's lady. Look at this. Yep. God bless. So don't be jealous. Just come sit on the chair. We do our best for you too. Right, Miss Kate?
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. Ciao.